Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, children. In last session, we have discussed that law of conservation of mass. So today in this video, this part 2 atoms of molecules video, we are going to discuss the law of constant proportions. The laws of chemical combination are the experimental laws which have been formulated by scientists after performing a large number of experiments involving various types of chemical reactions. These experimental laws ultimately led to the idea of atoms being the smallest unit of matter. In fact, the laws of chemical combination played a significant role in the development of Dalton's atomic theory of matter. In this class, we will study only the second law of chemical combination, that is the law of conservation of mass and the constant proportions. Constant proportions was given by Joseph Proust in 1779. He analyzed the chemical composition, that is types of elements present in and a percentage of elements present of a large number of compounds and came to the conclusion that the proportion of each element in a compound is constant or it is fixed. Based on these observations, Proust formulated the law of constant proportion. According to the law of constant proportions, a chemical compound always consists of the same elements combined together in the same proportion by mass. This law means that whatever be the source from which it is obtained, a pure chemical compound is always made up of the same elements in the same mass percentage. For example, water is a compound which always consists of the same two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, combined together in the same constant proportion of 1:8 by mass. So, 1 part of mass of hydrogen and 8 parts of mass of oxygen. Molecule, 2 atoms of hydrogen is present and 1 atom of oxygen is present. 2 hydrogen atom, its weight is or mass 2 gram per mole. 1 oxygen atom has 16 gram of mole mass. So, molecular weight of water is equal to 18 gram per mole. So, when we are getting the proportion of mass of hydrogen to mass of oxygen, it should be equal to 2:16. So, we can simplify this ratio, it becomes 1:8. Water is a compound. If we decompose 100 grams of pure water by passing electricity through it, then 11 grams of hydrogen and 89 grams of oxygen are obtained. Now, if we repeat this experiment by taking pure water from different sources like river, sea, well, etc., the same masses of hydrogen and oxygen elements are obtained in every case. This experiment shows that water always consists of the same two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, combined together in the same constant proportion 11:89 or 1:8 by mass. And this is the law of constant proportions. Let us take another example to illustrate the law of constant proportions. Ammonia. Ammonia is a compound. It has been found by analysis that ammonia always consists of the same two elements, nitrogen and hydrogen, combined together in the same ratio of 14:3 by mass. Example, methane. To form one methane molecule, 4 hydrogen atoms combine with one carbon atom. So its ratio is 4:1. Today we have learnt about the law of constant proportion. In next video we will see that Dalton's atomic theory. Thank you, children.